Grilled pita with sausage. Pita bread, sausage, red onions, cherry tomatoes, cheese, rucola, Greek sauce, pepper and salt. Pour the sauce on the pita. Spread it evenly. Add rucola. Add red onion. Then cherry tomatoes. Add sausage. Put cheese on top. Cover with the second layer of pita. Spray the grill with olive oil. Select burger mode or a similar mode on your grill. Add a little more olive oil. Wait until the timer ends. Place on a serving dish. Enjoy! Bon appétit!